Welcome to my education channel. This is the best channel to share, learn, and can be used as a media to teach your student. Please subscribe, like and share to support this channel. From the last session of sorting linen, we will continue with how to handle stained linen from pantry to the laundry. Handle stained linen from pantry. 1. Identify discarded or stained linen in pantry. Look into discarded linen basket in each pantry to see whether there is discarded linen there. Double-check if there is normal soiled linen accidentally misplaced inside the basket or damaged linen. Ensure discarded linen basket, bag and soluble bag are always available in the pantry. Suspected discarded linen will be noted to be differentiated from regular soiled linen. 2. Separate the bag. Put suspected discarded linen in separate soiled linen bag. Stained linen might bleed to color other linen, especially if wet or damp condition. Linen soiled with body fluid, blood and vomit, must be separated. Ensure linen soiled with body fluid is placed inside a soluble bag. 3. Gather more information. Contact supervisor in charge of the pantry and request whether he or she has specific information about the stain. Check with room attendant in charge of the pantry. Note the information to inform laundry employees. Specific source of stain information will be beneficial for laundry during spotting process if misuse of linen becomes a regular problem, concern to be raised to manager. 4. Send discarded linen to laundry. Bring discarded linen to laundry. Inform supervisor or washer about the possible source of the stain or the possible cause of the discard, tear, etc. Let us continue to the next session. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share to support this channel. Thank you.